Instagram is an amazing platform that allows you to identify your most loyal followers, people that constantly like your images and short videos posted on your Instagram account, deserve some kind of recognition or rewards. Followers' recognition and appreciation is a creative way of motivating them to encouraging them to keep liking and sharing your posts. While there are no industry specified incentives that can be offered to your audience, always ensure that the reward you offer are relevant to your brand and play a part in your brand promotion. In addition to that, do not offer incentive produced by your competitors because you will be promoting your competitors rather than your own business by doing this. Successful Instagram business have offered incentives such as backstage entries to concert, fashion shows, and other related events that might interest their customers. However, you should be cautious not to overdo this strategy. Do not offer too many incentives to an extent that your operational costs go beyond the profits gained from such incentives. It's difficult to calculate the exact profit gained from internet marketing efforts. It's for this reason that you are advised not to offer too many incentives that you will later be unable to account for. Other incentives that can be offered to loyal followers include promos and discounted codes. While these are the most commonly used incentives, they work best for retail brands. Therefore, ensure that the incentives you offer your loyal followers are compatible with your brand. That aside, it's important to keep a track of the frequencies of providing these incentives. This makes your audience eager to be part of your incentives by constantly checking on your Instagram postings. Consequently, providing incentives and rewards can go a long way in promoting your business on your Instagram.